This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Jeremiah Wampler. Coming soon. Live at the open house on Sunday, April 2nd, from 2 to 4 p.m. RSVP today and claim your chance to view it in person. Absolutely stunning. Like new, only better home, located in the highly desired and conveniently located Dutchtown Woods Subdivision. This one owner, 4-bedroom, owner's suite on main, 3.5 bath home, has been meticulously maintained, upgraded and cared for by its only owners. One step onto the grounds and their love/attention to detail becomes simply undeniable. The home's impeccable condition, convenient location and ability to provide main-level living are all spectacular attributes but do not come close to listing all the perks that this place has to offer. Top to bottom, it offers beautiful, well-thought-out design and many high-end finishings. Upon entry, you are greeted by flowing hardwoods, tall coffered ceilings, arched doorways and an incredible open concept that is lit by an abundance of warm, natural light. As you make your way further, you will immediately notice the convenience of the floor plan. This is the perfect place for a restful day at home, or for entertaining friends and family. Imagine warm conversations, struck beside the fireplace that can flow effortlessly to a second fireside location. The enclosed Gameday porch offers excellent, outdoor entertainment space but with all the comforts of the interior. Watch the big game, your favorite show or simply enjoy a cup of coffee by the wood-burning fireplace. This serene area is surrounded by nature, lush grass and the privacy of its cypress-fenced backyard. Back inside the home, the gourmet kitchen comes complete with upgraded appliances, a sprawling island, ample countertop and cabinet space. The main-level owner's suite is immaculate. From windows to closet space, it is oversized in every way. Complete with ornate tray ceiling, dual vanities, tiled walk-in shower and soaking tub. In fact, all of the bedrooms are huge and lend themselves nicely to bathrooms. There really is so much more to offer here, but I will leave you with one last piece of advice. Hurry! As this incredible opportunity will not last. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeremiah Wampler at 865-584-4000.